Hello everyone. Today shall discuss chapter 8, that is comparing quantities. Here recalling ratios and percentages. We know ratio means comparing two quantities. A basket has two types of fruits, say 20 apples and 5 oranges. Then the ratio of number of oranges to the number of apples is 5:20. The comparison can be done by using fractions as 5/20, that is 1/4. That is, the number of oranges is 1/4 the number of apples. In terms of ratio, this is 1:4, read as 1:4, or number of apples to the number of oranges 20/5, that is 4/1, which means the number of apples is 4 times the number of oranges. This comparison can also be done using percentage. Here you see, there are 5 oranges out of 25 fruits, that is 5/25 into 4/4, that is 20/100, that is 20%. Denominator made 100. Out of 25 fruits, number of oranges are 5. There are 5/25 into 100, that is 20 by unitary method. Since contains only apples and oranges, percentage of apples plus percentage of oranges is equal to 100. Percentage of apples plus 20 is equal to 100, or percentage of apples is equal to 100 minus 20, that is 80. Thus the basket has 20% oranges and 80% apples. Now we'll deal with example 1. A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be rupees 4280. Can you tell the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class? The cost per head if two teachers are also going with the class. If their first stop is at a place 22 km from the school, what percentage of the total distance of 55 km is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? Find the ratio of girls to boys. Asima and John came up with the following answers. They needed to know the number of boys and also the total number of students. Asima did this. Let the total number of students be x. The 60% of x is girls. Therefore, 60% of x is equal to 18. 60/100 into x is equal to 18, or x is equal to 30. Number of students is equal to 30. John used the unitary method. There are 60 girls out of 100 students. There is 1 girl out of 100 by 60 students. The 18 girls are out of how many students? That is 30. So the number of boys, 30 minus 18 is 12. And the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys is 18:12, that is 3:2. To find the cost per person, transportation charge, distance both ways into rate, 55 into 2 into 12, that is 110 into 12, that is 1320. Total expenses, refreshment charge plus transportation charge, that is rupees 4280 plus 1320, rupees 5600. Total number of persons, 18 girls plus 12 boys plus 2 teachers, that is 32 persons. Asim and John then used unitary method to find the cost per head. For 32 persons, amount spent would be rupees 5600. Amount spent for one person, 5600 by 32, that is rupees 175. The distance of the place where first stop was made 22 km. To find the percentage of distance, Asima used this method. Out of 45, 55, 22 by 55 into 100 by 100, that is 40%. Since multiplying the ratio by 100 by 100, that is 1, and converting to percentage. John used the unitary method. Out of 55 km, 22 km are traveled. Therefore, 22 by 55 per out of 1 km, 22 by 55 km are traveled. Out of 100 km, 22 by 55 into 100 km are traveled. Therefore, 40% of the total distance is doubled. Both came out with the same answer, that the distance from the school of the place where they stopped was at 40% of the total distance they had to travel. Therefore, the percent distance left to be traveled is 100% minus 40%, that is 60%. That is 60%. In this way, you can compare the quantities in either in unitary method or in ratio. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And thank you everybody for watching this video.